welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for October month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 599 rupees. And they have longer subscriptions as well, like 3 months, 6 months, and a yearly subscription. And I have a good news that I have a coupon code by which you can save 10% on your 3 months, 6 months, and on yearly subscription. The coupon code is RITU10. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this in the description box. So yes, you can check the description box. And of course, I will be mentioning the buying link as well. And now let's see what all is there in this month's edition. So first thing is the bag. So this is the bag for October month. And you can see the color is gold and it's actually very beautiful gold here, you can see. And this is the beige color here. Quite spacious, quite big bag this time. So yes, I like it. And quality of Fab Bag is nice. So yeah, the bag quality is good. So happy with this one. Now next I have 2 cards here. First one, let's just talk about the contest card. The contest card says you just have to click a picture of your October Fab Bag and you have to tag Fab Bag on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and you can win a lipstick, a mini lipstick set of 10 lipstick from Seduction Las Vegas. Now the next card is the info card. So this is how it looks, and the theme for this month is Festive Fusion. And let's start with the first product. This month we don't have choices because generally in Fab Bag we have makeup choices, but this time we don't have it. But I'm super happy because I've got a makeup primer from Sugar, and as you know, Sugar is a really good brand, so I'm super happy. I've already used it. The primer is super nice, and primer is the most important, I think, the step in your makeup regime. So yes, I'm super happy with this one. The price for this one is 799 rupees. Moving on to the next one. The next one is by Inara Cosmetic, and this is a nail paint. The price for this one is 450. This is how it looks from outside. Let me just open it and show you the nail paint shade. Okay, it's red in color. So red is a beautiful shade. I think we all need a beautiful red shade in our makeup kits. So yeah, like quite useful, you can say. So 450 is the price for this one. Next product is from Nature's Co, and I think most of you know that Nature's Co is one of my favorite brands. And this one is a lemongrass foot spray. The quantity for this one is 50 ml. The price for this one is 285 rupees. The manufacture date is May 2019. Expiry is April 2021. This comes in a spray bottle. So it's very easy, you can just see through it, and then it comes with a spray thing, so it's very easy to use it. So this is the third product. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by the brand name Orvija, and this is a lavender and mint facial spray. This is how it looks. The price for 50 ml is 120 rupees. So 50 ml is the quantity. The price is 120 rupees. And it says it's refreshing, eye soothing and tan removing. Looks nice. Again, in a transparent bottle, so you can see through the product. And then the spray thing makes it very convenient, very easy to use. You can just spray it on and you will save some time. You don't need extra cotton and all that. So now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is by Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. This is a foot cream. It says it will soften and protect. The price for this one is 72 rupees for 20 ml. And let me tell you, this brand, yes, I really like this brand because the product quality is really good, but at very affordable prices. So yes, I personally like this brand. Like all the product, you can say, almost all the product. So this is the last product in the Fab Bag for October month. That's all what I have received. And I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So do check it out and order your Fab Bag. Now, before ending the video, let me wish you Happy Navratras to all of you. And yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.